Good morning, everybody. Well, you can't see me. What is going on? Can you hear me? That is the question. All right, let's see. We got to figure this out now. That is working. Why do you... Yes! Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We got Kombu first in the chat. What's going on, Kombu, Gorilla, Giovanni, Gorilla, Kombu, Frank, Kombu, Gorilla, Frank, Gorilla, Khaled. What's going on, man? We've got Tim, Bender, Tim. We got Gorilla. Tim, what are you doing in here this morning, man? Good morning to you. Gorilla, Outdoor Smile, Tim. Pat first in the chat. What is happening right now? Pat's in the chat too, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, Pat? We got Dark Bro Gary, Dark Bro Tim, Bender, Suzuki, Dark Bro Outdoor Tim. We got Dark Bro Ken Bro, Stig Beater, Arthur. All of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. That's not the market, that's honorarium. What the heck? Dude, what are you guys doing sending honorarium to all-time highs and then taking profits like a bunch of stinking noobs, man? What is this right here? Oh, boy. We got some... Is that it? $100 trade? Takes that back down from $13.60 to $11.70? That don't seem right. There's a $100 bot trade on the $500 buy that happened there. All right, maybe that was a Dex Tools glitch. It seems like it would have been a Dex Tools glitch there. That was a $100 sell. A bot made $9 just on that trade right there. Anyway, looking good. $13.61. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's not what I want to see anyway. I want to see the market. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.17, down 2.27% today. Shiba Inu coin down 2.72% today. We got GameStop down 2.98% today. We got Bitcoin up 0.12% right now, $46,896. Dude, I mean, look at this price action. Bitcoin is on fire. Bitcoin is on fire. Yeah, you guys know that was beautiful. We got Bitcoin on fire. The NASDAQ doing okay today. The NASDAQ's up 0.08% on the day. We've got not GameStop. We're above GameStop. Dogecoin sitting down 4% right now. Ethereum down 2%. 2% down in Shib. 0.1% up in Bitcoin. The SPY sitting at 474. QQQ 405. Mullen Auto 1356. Sundial $1.59. Netflix 482. Highcroft Mining 248. MPW bouncing back up a little bit today. $3.61, man, after touching intraday lows of $3.30. Was that all-time low? Sure enough. $3.30 all-time lows, bouncing back a little bit. $3.65, currently sitting at $3.61 on MPW. Tesla sitting at $2.35. Amazon $1.50. Apple $1.84. But we're gonna watch Bitcoin at $46,901 play out here. Is it gonna break to the upside or break to the downside? We're gonna have to wait and find out to see what we've got. Right, I'm trying out some new coins, or should I say tokens, like OX1, Smartest Token, SST, Chainmail, and Cirrus. And none are meme coins and have uses. What's your opinion? Giovanni, yeah, dude, as long as you're not going in and, splitting your entire portfolio now between 4 tokens that you don't really know, I say go for it, man. We'll take a look at all of those in a second here. I'm not going to remember all of them, so make sure that you remind me. But yeah, we could pull them up, check them out one by one if you want to check them out. I'm not going to be able to know anything that they're doing other than what their graph looks like and their technicals. So we can go ahead and do that, man. But look, I think a bull market's brewing. Me, personally, I think we're going to have one more sell-off before peak of power. We're gonna have one more sell-off before the real bull market rally begins, but that's just a personal thought. I could be completely wrong on that, okay? So if you diversify as much as possible into the next bull market, you're probably going to pick some absolute winners. Honorarium to $1 tomorrow. Gary, man, let's make it happen. Peak of power, 17 months. It's been longer than that. Bro. 17 months. More like 24 months. We got ourselves a... So good. Pika! Thank you for the king cow. By far the best cow on the internet. I know it is. You know it is. So why even try to deny it? Pika, thank you very much for the member chat. Thank you very much for keeping that green name forever. Hey, look at the holders on Honorarium. The cap is beautiful. What is this cap? And that beautiful liquidity pool. Looking so sexy today. Plus, got other YouTubers checking it out now. Ken, bro, man. Very, very nice. Holders actually down. Holders were like 126, weren't they? Yeah, 126. Some of you noobs sold off, and we lost like 4 or 5 wallets over the last couple of days, over the last 24 hours there. But yeah, man, actually looking very good. 126 holders, very nice. Getting ready, if you guys just hold, getting ready to bust that all-time high right there. Which, did it actually hit the all-time high, or where's the, what the heck is that? I don't want no simulator. The high, 1357 was the high on this candle, and we're currently sitting at 1361. So, technically speaking, this is an all-time high by maybe like $1 extra in the liquidity pool or something like that. So, yes, dude, Honorarium looking very good there. Coming down here, we got Timmy! 21 months up, bro. Tim, dude, Pika been here longer than me. Tim, thank you very much for the 21 months of bro. Eat some bacon and drink some lemonade. Support your local farmers. Taxation is theft. That it is, dude. That it is. Legalized theft. The mafia is in control, and there's nothing we can do about it. Tim's right on that one, Tim, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. Cliff, you had $5,000 right now. How would you invest it? Notos. Excellent question. I'm going to say this, dude. Right now, I'm feeling a little bit more bullish as opposed to bearish, okay? So, it wouldn't be something that is just sitting around in stable coins. Now, I don't know if you're asking specifically about stocks or if you're talking about crypto. So, I'm going to give you a little bit of both real quick. In terms of investing in crypto, I truly believe that there's a very, very good chance we either get a delay, a denial, or buy the rumor, sell the news type of event in Bitcoin in these spot ETFs. What does that mean? Even if they're approved, I think we get a knee-jerk reaction to the upside and then a sell-off as people take their profits. So I would be on the lookout for a pullback in Bitcoin and a lot of the other cryptos that are out there. Some of the CEOs of these exchanges are saying March, we're going to get a pullback regardless of what's happening because of everything going on with the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee. You've got the reverse repos, and you've got some banks that are going to have liquidity issues coming up in March. So they're expecting a pullback as well. I would just be cautious around that pullback. But dude, I would diversify. I would have some Bitcoin, I would have some Ethereum, and I would be willing to get ready to take some chances on these smaller either meme coins or these new layer 0 tokens that are coming out like Celestia. Okay? I really do believe they are going to perform phenomenally during the bull market. If you're talking stocks right now, okay, it's going to depend on your strategy. I actually really like MPW at these current prices. I want to talk about why, just briefly. And I see peak of power right there. I'm going to stop the chat so I can come right back to it as soon as I get through this MPW. MPW right here. This stock got beaten down in price over the last couple of days because the hospitals that rent their buildings from them. The hospitals that rent their buildings from them are not paying their rent right now. They've got deferred rent, and it caused a huge spike down, 30+% decrease in the price of MPW. Because of that, it shot the dividend percentage up to 16.60% annualized. This company has had trouble with rent before, and that was during the Great Recession. You got to come all the way back here to 2008, 2009. It dipped heavy down to $1. From that dollar, gained all the way to $19. And the entire time was increasing its dividend along the way. 27 cents, 27 cents, 28 cents, 28 cents. Now, it has cut its dividend because of interest rates and everything being so high right now that its dividend is down to 15 cents a share. And it is possible that they cut their dividend again. So watch out for that, because if they cut their dividend again, what is this, quarterly? December? Yeah, so if they cut their dividend in the first quarter here, you're going to see this stock probably drop down even further. One of the reasons it's beaten down so hard right now is because interest rates are high. Real estate investment trusts do not do well when interest rates are high. So there are opportunities out there right now to not jump into necessarily meme stocks or short squeeze plays, but some companies are going to be paying some very heavy dividends as they recover and as interest rates start to go back down there. So, with all of that being said, I got to tell Pika Power that you're number one! You're number one! You're number one! Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. And hopefully, Pika, you know that you are number one. Absolutely, man. And now my cat has ran off. Gary, oh my gosh, my son was like, WTF. Rich, what are we talking about? With the turkey? Your kid liked the turkey? I bet he did. Or it might be the cow. I don't know. Ooh. Shiba Inu coin throwing a nice little green line on the screen there. What in the world, Shib? Going from 924 to 934. Volatility picking up in Shiba Inu coin right there. Not really hitting the same in Bitcoin. Got to keep our eyes on what's going on with Shib there. Rich, your son grabbed a gun and you're raising him right. About the cow? Or what do we... I know I'm missing something. Clearbro, Dex Tools holders information is incorrect. Always check BSC scan for current live information. Darn it, Dark Bro, if I can't trust the information that's given to me, I don't know what I can do. Does it still say 132 holders? 136 holders. Dang, man. Yeah, well, 136 holders on Honorarium right now. Not the fake news that Dex Tools is showing us with 126 holders. So, very, very nice, sir. Very, very nice. Honorarium sitting in 136 holders. Beautiful. I like it, man. I like it. Going from 100 to 136 very, very quickly there. Nice. Coming back down. Oh, no. The Second Amendment says we have the right and an obligation to oppose and revolt against the tyrannical government. That's what it does say, man. Tim is right on that one. Fabio Jones in the house. What are we, 5? Yes, we are, I think. Clay, when are you going to jump on TIA? Just curious. I don't think it is going to go down very much. Well, Giovanni, I really do. Listen, I really do think that Bitcoin is going to be due for a pullback. I hope that I am not wrong, because I am sitting on some money that is ready to be deployed. So I do hope that I'm not wrong, and I do get a decent opportunity there. But I think that because of all of the speculation that drove Bitcoin so high over the last 3 months, I believe it's due for a pullback because either a denial, a delay, or buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. I could be absolutely wrong, and I could get left behind. I hope that's not the case, but that's what I'm waiting on. I'm not necessarily waiting on a specific price. I don't even know where Celestia's at today. Dude, watch Celestia be like $15, man. I'm not waiting on a specific price. I'm waiting on more or less the overall market. God, it is at $15, man. Holy smokes. Celestia's sitting back up here at $15 again. Are we ever gonna see a pullback? No, no pullbacks ever. Come on, man. We need a pullback. I don't know if we're gonna get one or not, man, but I certainly hope we do. Charge me $20K for an what? For an ablation? It can't pay their rent. Bunch of what is an ablation? I don't even know what that is. I'll give the IRS an almost anonymous gang. Tech dogs, tell me who's in charge of the IRS. Anonymous is in charge of the IRS. You know, that hacker group? Oh, man, it's raining pretty hard right now. You guys can't hear that rain, can you? Fake news Dex tools. Yeah, man. Fake news on Dex tools. Suzuki, nobody wants that fake news. Clearly, my daughter is homesick today with me, and just heard you making the sound. She is cracking up. Suzuki, you got a good kid, man. Number one, thank you very much for laughing with me. And number two, hope you feel better. Nobody likes a sick kid. Nobody likes being sick themselves. So hopefully you feel better very, very soon, Suzuki's daughter. Can you share the analysis on Gary USDT, sir? Maybe. Interesting facts. Let's see if we can pull it up. Gary Network. Is this what we're talking about here? You looking at Gary Network? Okay, everybody, I'm back now. Congrats to Pika. Dark, bro. Yes, man. Wenmo bathroom break. We got to figure it out. Secondary Schiller Dank, bro. Yeah, man. We got honorarium Schiller in here. Dark, bro, what was the name of your coin? And how do I get some, homie? Name of the coin was honorarium. No toes. Mouse1W. Thank you very much for the super chat. Have you ever checked out the great projects on Shibarium? Mouse 1, so I do see a lot of them, Shib Dreams and that, Shib Co-op and stuff like that, or Shib Coop, I don't know how to pronounce it. I have seen them, I do not own any of them. Going to be very, very difficult for me to buy any of these projects that are on Shibarium, considering I don't own any bone, but no, I don't own any of them right now. But I have seen that they are doing, some of them are doing some great work for Shiba Inu coin, which is what I love to bring up in conversation, in the videos, and so on. Man, you guys are on fire today. Celeste has been pretty stable, even though the market dropped a bit. Yeah, Giovanni. That's what's got me a little scared that I might get left behind on it. People are pulling from banks and stacking crypto if the banks let them withdraw. But you're right, Clay. They will really tank crypto before the real rip ever happens. I do think we got one more. I think we got one more rip, or one more dip before the last rip. Outdoor Smile, I really do. Let's see. Anablation is a procedure where they go in through your main artery up to your heart, and they burn valleys in certain valves to prevent you from going to, oh my gosh, atrial fibrillation. I've had it done twice. Dang, Gary, why'd you have that done twice, man? Sounds like they should have done it right the first time. Gary, USDT analysis, please. Interesting facts. What a more polite way to say, get back on track, Clay, bro. What the heck are you doing out there? All right, very small market cap, $10 million. Much, much higher than Honorarium's $100,000 market cap. On the week, obviously finding its levels of support, obviously finding its levels of resistance right here. Very interesting weekly activity that would lead to some perfect buying opportunities and perfect selling opportunities. Let's see what the month looks like. Man, kind of the same deal on the month, dude. Hitting this support, hitting the resistance, hitting the support, hitting the resistance. This is, all right, on the year here, it has been out for a full year, yes. And the overwhelming trend is still down. It's trying its best to bounce off these all-time lows of about, I don't even know if they're all-time lows, annual lows of 1 cent here. But it is reaching this resistance level, and it can't seem to break back through at about 4 cents. All-time graph. Now, I wish I knew what caused this decline right here. I wish I knew this. Interesting, man. I don't know if you know what caused this dip down, but this was on massive volume. So I don't know if this was an introduction of new coins into the circulating supply, if this was just somehow a huge dump. I mean, look, you're going from $1 million, $2 million, $3 million a day, spiking up, looking good, and then $3 million, and all of a sudden, man, on this rip down, it goes from doing $1 million a day in volume to $173 million a day, and then the next day, $153 million. This was a very, very heavy dump. So I unfortunately can't determine whether or not I think it would get back up to these levels without knowing the reason for that decline right there. I wish I knew, man. So if you know, shed a little bit more light on it, and we'll try to go from there. Let's go, me. Thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, would you be interested in challenging other Shib YouTubers to leverage Amazon the way you do to see whose community is top dog? I'm sure the bros would win every month, but we'd all win in the end. Yeah, I mean, we could all win in the end. Let's go, me. Absolutely. The only thing that I would say about that, a couple things would have to happen. I mean, you would need each one of those YouTubers to register with Amazon and become an Amazon affiliate, which is not like impossible to do, but that does take a while for the application, and then it could take a couple weeks for them to do that. And the only other thing that I would think is whether or not the sort of challenge of it would be more beneficial than simply sharing the same link. So what are your thoughts on that? Do you think it more like competition would drive more use, or sort of just everybody kind of sharing the link and making it happen there? That's the only thing that I don't know is the challenge aspect of it, and the fact that it would take them a couple weeks to get approved and all of that. But yeah, dude, you know, and I've been looking at my links. I haven't updated the actual link yet, but it is less. I think people are doing more shopping for Christmas throughout December. But I'm sitting here waiting, man, and I don't know how long it takes, but I'm sitting here waiting for my withdrawal button to light up on Coinbase, and as soon as it does, I'm sending over $25 million to the dead wallet, which is going to be nice, and I think it's going to cause a couple people to talk about the link and the fact that it actually works and stuff like that, and then I will be able to update the Amazon link, or the Amazon website, to show total burns and then total accumulated towards the next burn. Unfortunately, it's going to be, well, at the current pace, it's going to be less than we accumulated in December. But, hey, man, it's no additional money for anybody. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much. Please talk as fast as you can. Please talk as fast as I can. All right. Never knew too cool for Cohen Boo. Dark Bro, I got the link. Gonna stag it up. Bros for life. Awesome. No toast. Welcome aboard, bro. We got also Dark Bro, when? Ferrari soon. Broski Clay. Coffee awaits you in Streamlabs. I got it. I'm gonna look at it in a second. We almost there. Isn't Ferrari one of those sues everyone? Yep. No toast, pretty much. When WRX STI Turbo Custom. As long as you don't take the Ferrari, they won't sue. That's like buying a house on an HOA. Won't do it. Promise. Yeah. Which is BS. If you buy it in my car, that's what I say. That's what I'm saying. Can't mess with perfection. Can we just take a moment to Dark Bro is due for all the time and his effort to put in an honorarium. Outstanding work, Dark Bro. Dilly dilly. LOL. Oops, I printed your Ferrari hot pink. Oh man, never mind. All right, Outdoor Smile. The thing is, you guys can't type as fast as I can actually talk. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. Where did Pat go? Patrick, man, sorry I missed it on the thing. You guys have been on fire in the chat today. Patrick sends a La Pika Pika too. Look at that little guy up top of the screen. Work canceled due to snow. That's what I'm talking about. Oh well, at least there's always some authorized hydration. Some hot dogs, you dip it and you shove it. One bite, oh yes, to keep us afloat, and we got ourselves, I don't know if Patrick, guys, has Patrick seen the La Pika Pika? Hold on, I don't know if Patrick's seen the new La Pika Pika. I don't think he has. Patrick's never in here. I don't think Patrick's seen the new one. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika. Oh, last time, you guys better do it with me. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. I really don't know if Patrick has seen. Oh, we got Dark Bro with the same one as well. Yes, Dark Bro coming in with a double Pika right there. Dark Bro saying honorarium is almost at an all-time high. Things are stacking up nicely. So many amazing things are coming in this month. I am almost restored to my full strength. And once I am, we will soar to a higher level. Let's go, honorarium. And Dark Bro coming in with that La Pika Pika as well, man. Dark Bro coming in with that La Pika Pika with the $10 Streamlabs. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. All right, guys, last time, you better do it with me. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. Thank you very much. Whew, that mask actually starts to get a little warm in there. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. We are coming back down to the bottom of the chat right now. If I missed what you guys said, say it again. My goodness, that was a lot of Pikas. We got Giovanni. I've been holding Shiba since May of 2021. Been a bit frustrated. I have a billion Shib. Should I look for something that will get me less frustrated? Yes. Yes. Let me say this, Giovanni. Yes. If you are in any way emotionally affected by your investment, I think you should shave it. Okay? So now I don't know what that means to you. If that means pulling out 900 million, keeping $1,000, and then spreading that $9 grand throughout things like Celestia and so on, that's the best choice for you. If it means pulling down to $500 million and diversifying the other half into, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, yes. I truly don't think that it is healthy at all to be frustrated by an investment. Now, if you're simply frustrated by the stagnation, but you still believe it's going to go up, in that sort of a situation, man, I maybe just deal with the frustration or try to figure out why you're frustrated. But if you truly are frustrated by your investment and it's something that causes you stress, change it. Change it. You should not be emotionally affected by your investments like that. And to be honest with you, Shib's actually looking pretty good right now, dude. Over the last, 15 minutes, going from about 920 points per coin to 950 points per coin. And Bitcoin not doing that. So Shiba Inu coin actually bucking the trend of the market right now. Dogecoin as well. So I don't know what's going on in these little meme coins at the moment, but Dogecoin bouncing back nicely from 7.7 cents to 8.07 cents. And Shiba Inu coin going from 920 to 950. Doge keeps on moving, man. So, yeah, something going on with these little memers down here. Ethereum trying to move, but not really. And then Bitcoin just sitting steady. So, Dogecoin and Shib, we're going to keep on the chart for a second there, because Dogecoin and Shib are throwing some pretty big green lines on the screen. And I'm not exactly sure why. Always. Paul, what's going on, man? Hey, can you do this house on AQST sometime? Yeah, we can look at AQST. You're talking about the therapeutics company, right? We actually looked at that yesterday. Somebody was looking at it. See? Right here at the top of the screen. Let's just look at that real quick. So, first and foremost, this is what we talked about yesterday. It is right at a level of very strong resistance. So, let's just pull that level out here so that you can see kind of where we're at. You know what? Maybe the weekly might be a little bit better to see this level. So we got a weekly graph pulled out, which means that this is very long term. Okay, this takes you all the way back to end of 2022, or end of 2021, beginning of 2022. First thing that you can notice, man, on the weekly chart, you've got your support level, which was broken, and then you came down. This level right here held up from January through March, beginning of April of 2022. So it's a decent level of now resistance. We attempted to break through this level in May of 2023. It attempted it a couple of weeks ago, beginning of December 2023, and it's reattempting it right now. Okay, so if you do not own AQST, and I don't know what the reason for the recent surge is, Okay, if it's fundamentals, you could absolutely see a break through this resistance level. If it's simply a nice technical move, the traders are going to be gearing up to either send it, or it's going to be gearing up for a nice rejection off of that resistance line like it has seen for the last 2 full years. So knowing that, man, didn't break it here, didn't break it here, we're going to have to see if it breaks it here. If it doesn't break it and you're thinking about getting in right now, what you could end up seeing is a very heavy 40 to 50% pullback to come all the way back down here just below $2, possibly even 50+% pullback to $1.35. So watch out for that if it does get rejected. If it breaks through, you're going to have a little resistance in the 340 to 350 area. You might get caught up at $4, and like $6 range is going to be your next major level of resistance. So you still could see some very nice gains to the upside. These are most likely going to take weeks to months to happen, though. So it's something that you're going to have to be committed to holding if you really expect that breakout. But I would be careful, man, with the possibility of another rejection off of this resistance line. You saw it here, you saw it here, you saw it here. You could see it here again. So just be careful. This is a very heavy weekly level of resistance that takes you back over 2 years on AQST. Holy smokes, man. What is going on? Dogecoin just ripping over the last couple of minutes, and Shiba Inu coin following suit, man. Dogecoin was just down a couple minutes ago. These are some strong gains, dude. I'm not logged in to Twitter on here. Somebody go out there and check and see if like Elon or somebody said something about a Doge, because that just seems a little weird that you got both of these guys running. Nah, dude, we don't care about Crypto Tony telling you that Floki's gonna rip higher. I know that ain't causing it. Weeble's wrong on that news right there. Yeah, I don't know. If you guys have seen anything on what Elon or somebody might have been saying about Doge, that's just a little weird that you got both those boys ripping right there. Suzuki, you guys don't have to thank me, honest slayers, in support of the biggest blessings from me. Well, I tell you, and I will say this, okay? And I also want to tell you guys, simply because I have no problem telling you that I do own something. I'll never tell you how much I own, but I feel like I should let you guys know too that I did buy into Honorarium at some point. Okay, I know I keep saying you guys, and that's because I don't really want to continue influencing anybody's decision in here. But Dark Bro, and I know some other people were asking me, yes, I do own Honorarium at this point. I am one of those 136. Not going to tell you who I am, not going to tell you how much I am or anything like that, but I do own Honorarium, just to let you guys know, but you're not going to know who I am or anything like that or when I bought. But just wanted to let you guys know on that, and I'm going to continue saying you guys in the live streams, right? And probably if I ever do any more videos as well, I'm going to continue to say you guys, right? I just think that that's better than saying me or anything else. I sincerely don't want to influence anybody to ever do anything, man. So I know I say you guys, but that does include me as well, just so you guys know. But yeah, don't let that influence you guys to go in there and buy any, sell any, or anything like that. Cleveland's on a... Did Pika say that literally at the same time that was coming into my mind? Or did she say that after I started to say that I own some? Now I don't even know. I mean, they're both ready for an uptrend in the graph. They were, dude, but now they're pulling back pretty heavy, so they're going to have to see what goes on with that. And you didn't know nothing, Dark Bro. You didn't know nothing, man. Clay's the whale. No, I will say this, though. I am not the whale. I'm not the guy that owns 30%. So that is not me. The last time you guys were talking about it, right? I did not buy in on in the first couple weeks or anything like that. I was not one of the first investors or anything. So please, like, don't think that I was or anything like that. But I do own Honorarium, and yes, just give us your wallet address and we'll figure. Well, clearly, man, if I gave you my wallet address, you'd be able to figure it out, man. Oh gosh, no, Peak, I'm not Mr. 30%. I promise you on that. Clay had to be the $500 buy. He wanted it in bed. Ken, bro, I'll let you guys guess all day long, but you'll never know. You're not gonna get it out of me, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, my day is made. Welcome aboard, Clay, bro. Dark Bro, man, my day is made as well. Whether Honorarium tanks down to 0 or whether Honorarium goes to $1. I will say this, dude. I have no intentions of ever selling the Honorarium. I bought it as a spend, okay? Literally no intentions of ever moving it around. I bought it as a spend. Literally, I don't even care to sell it if it does go up to $1, and I'm sitting on massive amounts of money. I just truly bought it as support to buy it, hold it, and just see what happens with it. As far as I'm concerned, dude, I can lose the address to that wallet and lose the keys to that wallet, and it would be no different than me having the keys to that wallet and owning it, because I never plan on doing anything with it. So just wanted to buy it, wanted to support, wanted to hold it, and see what you guys can absolutely do with it. Just know you're taking me along for the ride with you, all right? You're taking me along for the ride with you. Win Honorarium channel. That's on Dark Bro, Khalito. That's on Dark Bro. Dark Bro can create an Honorarium channel if he wants. I'm not stressed on Shiba Inu, but I see others moving, and I believe the Shibarium team is kind of ruining the mentality of Shiba. Lots of lies from those teams frustrate me, and they cause less page. Giovanni, 100% agree with you. So I guess to me, that would mean when your frustration does turn into stress, maybe at that point, you sort of shave, you sort of move it around, or diversify it out a little bit more. Frustrated, I understand. If you're kind of dwelling on it, though, I mean, if it truly is becoming a stress, like, dang, dude, these guys are doing nothing again today. These guys are doing nothing again today. Dude, you can always, and you know, you've done it with other coins, you can always jump into something like Celestia. You know, maybe it does move. And then you simply pull some profits and put them back into Shib, and you're right back where you were. I guess it depends on your definition of frustration. Like, if I'm truly frustrated about something, I'm probably stressing about it. So, at that point, yeah, I'd want to move it around, man. But if you're just frustrated, like, dang, these guys are doing nothing, I could be doing better somewhere else. Well, you can. You can do better somewhere else and put it right back in to Shib, man. Clay, secret scammer. I ain't skimming nothing, man. Pick some up in the Honorarium video you had with Johnny Quest, man. Very, very nice. How do we promote it? Johnny Quest, man, up to you. Look, I'm not trying to promote Honorarium. I'm not trying to do any of that stuff. I want to say, though, that Dark Bro created Honorarium. I think it's absolutely phenomenal, the support that he has gotten over the last month and a half in Honorarium. You know, it's sitting on a 120. Where's it at? Sitting on a $130,000 market cap. It's still a very small market cap. You know, the workload is going to be on the workload is going to be on Dark Bro and so on to take it to the next level. It doesn't fall on anybody else to promote or anything like that. But I bought in not simply for a profit or to watch it go up or anything like that. I bought in simply to support Dark Bro, right? That is what that is. I'm happy right now that clearly it is up, which is awesome to see. But yeah, like I said, man, I really don't even care. It'll just be a nice placeholder in my wallet to see like $1 million balance, you know, as it starts to rip up in value. I really don't intend on selling any. So yeah, do whatever you guys want with it, man, but make sure that you do something good with it, because you're taking me along with you. Let's see. Crypto is supposed to be anonymous. Why is everyone worried about the no longer existing 30% bag? P.S. It's not me. Suzuki, man. People always get worried that somebody's going to dump on them. And you know what? The worry is legitimate. People have been dumped on their entire lives. Crypto is a place where people love to dump on other people. And it might be due to the anonymity. But yeah, I think that's the reason that people might be concerned about that 30% wallet. It's because they've been dumped on in the past and they don't want to get dumped on in the future. Quibro already bought a new Kia with honorarium profits. Kumbu. No, man, look, it's not an obscene amount or anything like that. So I am buying no Kia. Maybe a little Kia Rio or something. Maybe a little used Kia Rio, but let's see. We need a second meme coin where we take the buy tax and burn honorary, and we can call it Clay Banana Choke Super Chat. Kalito, you've never seen me choke on a banana, man. I know how to eat them, okay? You dip it. Oh, no, you lick it, and you stick it. Never choked on a banana in my life, and I don't plan on starting now. Let's see. Clay, what are you looking at? No one has 30%. Oh, boy. Let's see where the holders are, Ken, bro. We know they had 30% prior. Where we going here? I don't know where they're. Come on. I keep clicking that button. All right, holders. Yeah, let's refresh. What do we got now? 19%. All right, that holder came down a little bit there. Gotcha. I'm not going to jump into it to see if he's just holding in another wallet. He's got this guy. 19 plus his 10% that he owns right there. I would imagine the only in transaction on this wallet came from OXCC. But, yeah, what are we talking about there? Yeah, what are we talking about there? Nobody knows. Nobody owns 30%. That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Yes, it would. I learned that Zcash and Monero not go anywhere because the government doesn't like private transactions. Will cause them to drop. Giovanni, I have also learned that the government doesn't like private transactions, but you know who does like private transactions? The people. Zcash and Monero, man, they are privacy coins. You are 100% correct in saying that the government does not like privacy coins. It's the most equivalent to cash that you can actually have in the crypto world. A public, anonymous, private ledger. It's kind of an oxymoron, but it's there. It's the closest equivalent to actual cash that you can get. So whether the government doesn't like it and they try to stop it, okay. But I like Zcash, man. It's one of the first cryptos. It's the first crypto that I truly mined with a mining rig. And I like private transactions. So not going to know what I have. Not going to know who I send it to. We get 2 mega whales now. Instead of 1 mega whale, we get 2 mega whales. I have a fever. The only prescription is more honorarium. Nufo. That'll take you to Pulto. Make sure to make it happen. That is the only thing that can make you better at this point, Nufo. Dark Bro, can we beat that dead horse some more? You can always beat a dead horse some more. Any sign for a bull market? VS, absolutely. So, I mean, if you look at this right here, just look at the price action on Bitcoin, okay, over the last year. Dude, nothing but gains, okay? Now, the reason this entire move over the last couple of months has been taking place is purely speculative. I will say this. Purely speculative increases in price are a huge sign of a bull market because that takes a lot of confidence, okay? During a bear market, you can have even good news coming out, but the price action is down, 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 down. Even on good news, people are afraid to buy. And then any little increase results in profit taking. Any little increase results in profit taking. During a during a bull market, you can even have ETF delays. You can have the SEC say something stupid, and people do not care. Any little dip is eaten right up. People are buying, 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 even though it's purely speculation. So there are signs, yes, that we are already in a bull market, based on people's willingness to buy no matter what. That's sign number one, is kind of people's reaction and people's emotions to the current market status. Sign number two, man, you got the fundamentals to back it up. If an ETF comes out, you could see a lot more money flowing into crypto. The Bitcoin halving is coming up soon. Now, some people are saying there's some catalyst to bring us down to a 30% correction, so please watch out for that. But dude, 30% correction at this point, man, we're not even going to be dropping back down below like 25,000. So you're looking at $30,000 on Bitcoin still. That would be a big dip, but that would be a very, very nice floor to set up. So yeah, there are signs that we are currently in a bull market already, man. Simply based on people's willingness to buy on pure speculation. Hey everyone, guess what Clay Bro owns Honorarium? Boy, that sounds so good. Yeah, dark bro, but I did it fully to support you, alright? I didn't do it so everybody else would go buy some. I didn't do it so because I believe Honorarium is going to be at $1 tomorrow. I gotta support dark bro. You're doing some absolute work, man, and sitting on it. Let's see. Yes. But if you see what happened to Zcash after the 2021 pump, it has completely crashed. I'm a big fan of Zcash, and I understand it, but they will push... No. Giovanni, I agree with that. So think about it this way, man. You could just transact in Zcash, right? If you're going to go out there and you're going to own an actual investment that you want to go up in value, okay? You go buy a house. You go buy some stocks. You go buy some fine art. Well, dude, you're not going to be transacting in your house. You're not going to be transacting in your fine art or your stocks. But if you've got cash, dude, you want to send your brother $20 on his birthday, and you don't want anybody to know about it. Zcash could be that. Maybe it's similar to an XRP where it simply transacts. Doesn't necessarily have to go up in value, but to me, man, and I know that I'll say this, I'm not doing anything shady with any of it, right? But I believe that there is a certain level of privacy that one should have to what they're spending and what they're doing with their money, and they're fine. Like, it's your business and nobody else's business. That's why I don't think I should tell you what to buy and what not to buy. I don't think you should tell me what to buy and what not to buy. So I think that Zcash, Monero, things like that could be it's just something to transact in, right? Something to have that you can maintain a level of your ownership, your privacy. And not that it's going to go back up to $1,000 a coin or anything like that. I'm completely fine with that not happening. I would like it a lot if it did, but I'm completely fine with that not happening. Pig, I told you I would smile on the day he admitted that, and the grin on my face could cut a diamond. Dark bro, very nice, dude. I have a feeling good old Gary is going to delay the ETF. Lionel, I actually agree. I don't know if he will for sure or not, but I got the same feeling, right? I got the same feeling that old man is going to play a little weasel trick on all of us. In the meantime, though, hey, Dogecoin's looking pretty good, right? We got Bitcoin trying to look pretty good. It's sitting here and really running in a tight channel right now. Shib is looking pretty good over the last hour. So for some reason, the meme coins are looking a little bit better than the rest of the crypto market right now. But yes. Let's see. To follow Terraport Bose Durug, what are your thoughts on the Kalido? No. So I haven't followed them really at all. Dang, it's been several months. So I haven't really followed them at all after they, got hacked or whatever happened to them. I really don't know what they're doing, man. I've been taking a beating on Bone. I was naive 2.5 years ago, thinking that the existing dev team was truly a part of Shiba Inu. Bone down in the 60-cent range now, isn't it, Suzuki? I think Bone's down to the 60-cent range, right? It's not about the money. It's the fact that you believe in what I am doing. Oh, yeah, Dark Bro, man. And you know what? I don't care. I really don't care if it fades out, man, and you gave it your best shot, or if you truly take it to a $10 million coin, man. I'm like I say, I'm along for the ride, dude. I'm along for the ride. we'll see. Dude, if it goes to a $10 million market cap or something, though, you're gonna. I don't know if I'm gonna be along for the ride anymore after that, dude. I'm gonna want to jump off that train and it takes some nice profits there, but I have no intentions of doing that. Let's see. OX1 male Cirrus SST. Let's look at male first, Giovanni. And no one can deny Clay has the most diamondest of diamond hands can. Cough cow. Or yeah. We got what? Crow Zcash. Never gonna give you up. Never. No, I'd never sell my Zcash. That's a fact on that. That is a fact on that. Dude, that is in such an old wallet. That is. I started that in a Coinami wallet, man. Yeah, think about that. What are we gonna? Oh, mail. Mail. Mail time. Mail time. Mail time. All right. Well, this is mail, Giovanni. I would not just like. I would not go too hard into this one here. I don't know if you got honorarium or not, but this has a smaller market cap than honorarium does. $23,000 here. I would just be careful of this one. All right, sold off heavy right here. And this could be something if you want to go grab a couple dollars. If you think at some point in time it will revive itself, go for it. But dude, this coin was doing a couple $100,000 a day in volume, and then of course has dropped off to absolutely nothing. Some days it literally has $0 volume. So watch out for that, man. I wouldn't go too heavy into mail. Let's see. Cirrus. All right, $4 million market cap here. And some decent volatility as well. So I don't know if you plan on trading this or simply holding it. But this is down pretty heavy in value, but it's still doing volume, which is excellent to see. It's still being traded. So, yeah, dude, if this guy sticks around, and I don't know what Cirrus is doing or anything like that, but if this guy sticks around, these are some very strong gains that could take you from, you know, dude, essentially 1 cent down here at the beginning of November back up to $1 price point. So this is one that I would say is probably a little bit better off than mail. Let's see here. JB, Clay Bro owns honorarium? Clay does own honorarium, JB. Absolutely. Let's see here. Pat said something. Everybody using Just for Men today. I don't see any gray names. Oh, man. Michael's not using Just for Men, Pat. Michael's not using Just for Men. He's a little gray guy. He's a little gray guy. Let's see. Claybro, you made it, or Darkbro, you made it. Clay, believer out of Clay honorarium video. Soon as it moves into the big boys' place and is a powerhouse like it already. Look up, never down. That graph don't lie. Facts on that. It does not lie. Heck yeah, Ken, bro. Go, Shiba Gadget. Do. JB already heard it through the grapevine. We mooning now, man. The boys are talking. The bros are speaking. Everybody knows. Not supported by the bros. Roulette wheel. Roulette wheel is in here, man. What the heck? Where Farmy? Let's take a look. Farmy probably down at like 10 cents now. $1.25. All right. Farmy hasn't fallen off the map yet. Farmy's sitting here at $1.25, this weekly graph. It is getting ready to curl back over, though, so please watch out. Farmy getting ready to curl back over, and will probably very soon be testing a new all-time low below $1 there. And then shortly after that, they're going to have to reverse split in order to comply with listing agreements once again. So please watch out for Farmy. Dude, look how low Farmy is, man. Look at this, dude. This is like pathetic pricing. Golly bum, dude. What a scar of a memory. This dude bringing all that back up right now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, Shib's looking pretty good today. What the heck happened from 900 points per coin this morning? 906. Tapping 970 right now. Shiba Inu coin is actually looking pretty strong. 140 to 1. I like those odds. Clay is honorarium. Dark Bro is honorarium. Patrick, thank you very much for 5 green names. That's what I'm talking about. Patrick throwing a green name out to K King. Patrick throwing a green name out to YNB. Patrick throwing a green name out to SD. Patrick throwing a green name out to Crypto Cone Raul Valdez Reyes, man. And Patrick throwing a green name out to Adam. K King, YNB, SD, Crypto Cone, and Adam. If you guys got green names, please say thank you to Pat, man, for throwing those out there. If you didn't get a green name, still say thanks to Pat, man, making sure everybody in here is grabbing those green names and looking nice. Oh yes, Fat Man, thank you very much for that. Let's see, Tim Farming, a lesson learned. A lesson learned and a scar received, Tim. Absolutely, man. Sungsu Han to the ground. Yes, to the window, to the wall. Farmy to the ground. Let's see. Let's go Shib next level, man. Shib is looking really good. 972 points per coin right now. Pat Bro, 100. Pat is the man. Thank you, Pat. Thank you, Nufo. Bender, boom, baby. Congrats to the new greenies. Pat does rock. Mark L. Shib looking strong. Dropped internet connection. Very nice. Thanks, Pat. Roulette Wheel. Appreciate you. Anyone know anything about Credit Coin? I know nothing about Credit Coin. We can look at the graph, but I don't know anything about what they got going on. Smash the like button. 54 watched, only 22 likes. Guys, if there's only 22 likes in here, you're going to make me cry. I'm not even gonna look because that sounds sad. Oh, Clay, I tried that with Daisy. It was legit. I bought it 1 cent, sold it 43 cents. The price is a bit different on Uniswap. Gotcha. Giovanni, you were able to get out? Were you able to get out on Daisy? I can't imagine you made a ton of money though because the volume was so low, right? I imagine it would have to be just a couple of dollars that you were able to get around with on that. Crypto George likes Ripped Roulette Wheel, likes Crypto George. Stig Beater. Pat is a legend, man. Pat is an absolute legend. Shib filling that 0 hole. Let's get started. Dude, Shib might actually go back up above 1,000 points right now. Shib's showing a lot more strength than even Dogecoin is showing down here. Dogecoin ripped up a minute ago to like 8.4 cents. And it's back down to 8.03 cents right now. But, yeah, Shib continuing to move higher. Dogecoin not being able to move above these highs it just hit. Bitcoin's trending in a very, very tight channel between 46.8 and 46.7 here. And then Ethereum kind of doing the same thing. It's trying to move higher, but the price action is pretty subdued. So Shiba Inu coin actually taking the cake this afternoon. And I would say performing the best out of everything that we're watching. Even got AMC barcoding at all-time lows right now. Nobody wants that. Roulette Wheel needs to plow my parking lot. Roulette Wheel, please go help Pika. The banks, all 140 holders until I find Clay. Do it, man. Do it, JP. No ads today. Yay. What the heck? Suzuki, you better have gotten an ad. Well, ads are on. I don't know why you didn't get one. But you're good. Did I say something I shouldn't have? Yeah. You said that you said that you didn't get any ads. You need to watch an ad, man. Let's see. Thanks, Pat, bro. No snow right now. Yes, I was able to get out. Remember any of it? Yeah. But nothing wrong with that because I really don't think you would have been able to get out that easily if you had a lot invested into it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Congratulations to all of the new green names. May your futures be always bright, your thirst be quenched, and your finances evergreen. Beautiful authorized hydration. It is 1 o'clock and Timmy coming in hot with 5 more green names. Stig Beater grabbing that green. Lonnie grabbing that green. Ripple Effect grabbing that green. Caesar grabbing that green name. And Night Cow grabbing that green name. Tim, man. Guys, make sure to say thank you to Tim on the way out, especially if you grabbed one. Even if you didn't grab one, say thanks to Tim on the way out. Guys, we're going to be doing some shout-outs on the way out here. I want to say thank you to everybody for keeping this chat going, keeping the chat awesome. You guys are absolutely amazing. Bros are the best in town all around. Let's do these shout outs, and we're going to be back this afternoon, man. Tim, thank you very much for the 5 green names. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat, for the 5 green names as well. We got shout outs to JB, reminding us all that it is 1 o'clock. We got Outdoor Smile, Giovanni, man, Suzuki, see ya later. We got Tim, Stigbeater, Lonnie, Ripple Effect, Suzuki, Caesar, Night Cow, Lonnie, Tim, man, enjoy your afternoon. Thank you very much for that. Kalido Farm, see you later, man. We got Stig, we got Pika Power, we got Dropped Internet, Newfo, Gorilla, Lonnie, Dark Bro Pika, Dark Bro JB, Outdoor Smile, Dropped Internet Connection, Bender, Gary, we got Suzuki, Geopet, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Outdoor Smile, Lonnie, Suzuki, Mark L, Newfo, Puto, Ahoo, Stig Beater, Pika Power, Tim, JB with a Night Cow, or JB with a King Cow, sorry. Yes, man. Giovanni, I can't turn my head into poop, but I can. Go like that, and then you can turn my head into poop. Post-production with little emoji on the top of it. Giovanni, man, thank you very much for the super chat. JB, man, thank you very much. Gary, next level. We got Pika Power, Roulette Wheel, Dropped Internet, Suzuki, Kalido, Suzuki. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Outdoor Suzuki? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.